Let me show you how to use my Age Rewind Face Serum. Start by taking 1 to 2 scoops with our glow stick. You can be generous. Now distribute the serum evenly. Start with your chin, cheeks, nose, and then come up to your forehead and temples. Then gently massage it in using soft upward strokes. Remember to always be gentle with your skin. Take those moments and let your skin feel the immediate hydration as the gel serum melts into your skin. Feel your skin come back to life with the rejuvenating botanicals and the energizing antioxidants. You should use Age Rewind Face Serum every morning. Check out all of our products at anjalimd.com and be sure to follow me on Instagram. I post there almost daily.